Hi students, this screencast is to help you with the last part of the workshop today, and this is for how high are tariffs, this table right here. So I'm going to start at the database. I'm going to refresh it. I'm going to select my country. I'm going to go to At a Glance, and as you see in the first question is to record the simple average percentage. So I'm going to look in my database to find the simple average percentage. I'm going to find it. I'm going to record the value, which is 12.58. Then I'm going to click on the simple average percentage link, and that brings me to this screen here. So I'd like to look by sector so I can find the correct sectors that I need for the table, which is food products, animal, and vegetable. And then I want to make sure I'm in the right indicator. So I want the simple average, that's correct. Okay. And actually I can alter my year also. I'll just put that I want to find the year 2016, just to make it easier on the eyes. So here I can take a look at my food products, which the tariff was 12.27. I can also note all products because I need that information. And then you can find animal and vegetables here. So record that data in this column right here. And then you want to go back and find the MFN. So I just want to select the correct indicator, MFN. Simple average. Here. And update my data. And then I collect the information in the same way. So just make a note, please, that this one column you need to think about. I'm going to actually make it red. So my import share, I can make the total. So if food products is 7 and vegetable is 5 and animal is 4, well then all I do is add up these numbers, because that represents 16% of total trade is agri-food trade. However, if I have my tariffs here, does it make sense to add the tariffs? Because that is a different type of number. No. Here I need to make the average. So then I know the average tariff for the agri-food products traded. I also want to make the average here. Oops. And here you need to figure out, should I total or make the average? Well, here I want to know the import value of all agri-food products, so I want to make the total.